There's been a really big, deep involvement between Jabra and enhancing customer and agent experiences from the perspective of being able to influence metrics like average handle time and first contact resolution. Can you kind of get some insight and walk us through some specific ways that your partnerships and CX teams are actually impacting those areas?
Yeah, we for a long time, you're exactly right. We were focused on two people talking to each other and hearing. So the two stakeholders involved were the agent and the customer, And we now realize that it's not just the agent and customer anymore. It's also the bot, the AI bot, trying to pull data from our conversation, Christian, and be able to light that up on a dashboard, whether it be speech analytics, agent assist, or translation, things like that. ChatGPT, AI companion, Copilot, whatever. And some of the things that we're doing with our devices is we're trying to save in handle time and increase FCR by letting you actually see our devices. That's something that people really don't get these days. We innovated in around 2018 to put some chipsets inside some of our contact center headsets so that you can see if my microphone is working, to see if my speaker is working, to see if my boom is in the right position. Because if I move it just a little softer and I get a little bit louder, these are noise cancellation things that add to handle that add to kind of like making a better call and lowering handle time. We also have sensors in there that tell you the decibel levels inside, right? And it also tells you if you're using a wireless headset, if you walk too far away from your device and your laptop, because that can create packet loss, right? So where did that packet loss happen? Did it happen at the headset level? Did it happen somewhere else? Are things to be able to see. Things like decibel levels in our devices. If your dog starts barking at home, we can sense when the dog starts barking, but we also know that our headsets can handle that in terms of noise cancellation. So now we can create little real-time widgets for the agent to say, you know what, the headset hears that it's loud, but don't worry about that sound. Meaning don't mute. You don't have to apologize for that noise, and you don't have to repeat yourself for 10 seconds. So automatically, by letting the agent know that the headset's working for them, we're able to save time just with that. And that's an ROI that we can now start to prove out with telemetry. So we offer this data to anybody who wants to consume it. So we have the Nectars and the Versailles and the Operatas and the ServiceNows and Salesforces of the world right now, and Verents of the world, basically consuming that data so that we can light our stuff up on a dashboard for quality monitoring and managed services. So very simple.